Question number 24. For the complex NiCl4 whole to the power -2, write the IUPAC name. Third, the shape of the complex atomic number of Ni is given as 28. Or, what is meant by crystal field splitting energy? On the basis of crystal field theory, write the electronic configuration of D4 in terms of T2G and EG in an octahedral field when I delta naught is greater than P. Second, delta naught is smaller than P. Solution of the first part: tetrachloridoniclate 2 ion. Second part: NiCl4 whole to the power -2. Here is the configuration. Cl- is weak field ligand, hence pairing does not occur. The type of hybridization of this chemical is sp3. Third part: tetrahedral, or it is the energy difference between lower energy and higher energy d orbitals after splitting of d orbitals. First part: delta naught is greater than P. For the first part, answer is this, and for the second part, delta naught is smaller than P. Answer is this.